Ito na. Finally, the trial has indeed started, or kind of. Kanina lang, or at least this week, the Sara Duterte camp has released the full, kumbaga, ito na yung isang batalyon ng mga lawyers. I don't know, 12, 14, 15, 16 different lawyers. By the way, I'm not talking about the 18 senators. I'm talking about just the lawyers dun sa isa sa pinaka well-known, just to put it nicely, law firm sa ating bansa, known for defending certain people, certain type of people. So, eto na, Sara Duterte has shown that she is interested to have not only the best possible lawyers, but a battalion of lawyers to defend her, which tells you a lot, or perhaps tells you a lot. Now, nevertheless, the status of the trial itself is still in the air because Chizo Escudero, being Chizo Escudero, naayusin ko lang yung kilay ko. Chizo Escudero, being Chizo Escudero. So, baka tumataas ang kilay ko pa si Chizo Escudero yung topic. But, she's being cheese, diba? He speaks from 10 different sides at once. Master of sophistry, kaso yung kanyang mga legalists, shibboleth, Mama Jumbo, ay medyo wala na naniwala dyan. And he's no legal luminary. So, as far as his legal constitutional interpretation is concerned, to be honest, I'd rather wait for the Supreme Court to settle this, and I'd rather wait for the next Senate President, who hopefully is going to be more independent-minded, more decisive and respectable, and who knows, maybe even mas magandang kilay. Sana we'll see not only this trial moving forward, but a real trial moving forward, because Sara may have the numbers to get acquittal, but the real numbers is public opinion. And the last time we had the Quadcom, we had exposés or alleged exposés, massive yung drop, double digit, 10 points, 20 points yung drop sa popularity na Sara Duterte. And as some would say, like Justice Carpio, she may get acquitted, but she could get very politically damaged. And so will, I don't know kung 18 pa rin senators if ever makakaroon ng trial, but so will whoever tries to stand by her, no matter what, aside from, you know who, Team Piatos. On that note, lots to look at, lots of interesting developments, and sorry na lang sa mga DDS trolls, mukhang tuloy pa rin ang trial. And last time I heard, it looks like the president also is kinda more all-in this time, or at least all-in by BBM standards. Mukhang hindi na siya takot with potential gulo by a certain group, because that group is going apparently through its own internal motions. I'll keep it at that, and looking forward to more updates on this development.